Okay, hello guys and welcome to a new video. Okay, today have CPI news. CPI news. Okay, what is CPI? Consumer Price Index. Okay, I already share video explanation about what is Consumer Price Index, so you can watch. Okay, so this is my analysis. For today maybe. So before we start, okay, previous result is weak. So the answer is gold fly until now. So maybe around 2000 pips from here until now. Okay, now gold at trend line monthly, right? But almost breakout. So gold have potential skip fly. But before we analyze market at gold, so we need to analyze index. Okay, index, as you can see, index keep falling. Start here until now, downtrend. So as you can see, USD is weak. So if today CPI news data release still weak, so the answer is index will keep falling. Okay, now we need to analyze from daily. Okay, monthly. Okay, monthly have zone buy. Okay, monthly have zone buy. Weekly, so potential gold will strong, but as you can see at weekly at bottom price. So this is zone weekly. And daily, okay, I think gold, index will keep falling until this price. If index keep falling until this price, gold will spike until maybe 1900, 1910, 1920, or more, around 3 or 500 pips range. Okay, for today, if USD keep weak, gold keep fly until this level. Okay, so you need to monitor. As you can see, at index, yes, clear sell. Okay, clear sell, because all support already break out. This support break out, this support also break out. So potential keep falling, but if USD strong, gold will falling. So this is target TP if USD is strong, and this is target TP if USD weak. So let's start watching gold. Okay, gold monthly support. Can take this level. Okay, now at trend line monthly. Now at trend line monthly here. Okay, weekly. Weekly have zone at this price. Okay, this is zone weekly. Zone potential, but if gold can break this zone, the answer is trend line will be break. Okay, this is potential at weekly. Okay, as you can see, monthly, yes, have trend line, right? So potential breakout, pullback, and entry sell. And at weekly, we have resistance here and demand here, and potential touch this trend line and then make it return. Okay, this is analysis. But if USD keep weak, okay, gold keep fly and break until this level, this support level, or this level, 1970, 1930. So this is 1900. So this is confirming gold will touch this one. If break, yes, gold keep fly. Okay, but you need to monitor this level, 1898, 1902. Gold. Okay, so now we need to focus on H4. Okay, on H4 still have resistance here, but I don't know which price we can start by. So it's very risky. So if don't have any confirmation, I'm not share setup, okay, because this news is very risky. So I don't want everyone lost, because actually we already buy here and we'll keep flying until now. What the heck? So I think gold will fly. But if gold strong today or USD strong, gold will falling and break this level and clean until this level. Okay, if gold selling, the answer is here. The answer is here or here or here. Okay, this is checkpoint. First checkpoint, second checkpoint, and this is third checkpoint. So we need to wait and we need to see what gold can give to us. If result is weak, I will try to find buy. But if too risky, I don't want to give signal, okay? Because this is, we play about money, okay? So no need to take risk. If setup is very risky, we need to avoid it, okay? No need to take risk. If don't have any confirmation. So far, gold still respect. This is M5 support, respect. This is M5 base, also respect. And all resistance already breakout. This is M5 support, respect. This is breakout, pullback and fly. Potential, this is resistance, pullback and fly. Keep fly. But if gold can break all this support, the answer is falling down, okay? So that's all for today. We need to wait and we need to see what will happen at gold today. Buy or sell.